Good afternoon, everyone. We are Team Echoes, and we are developing a game with a purpose to gamify audio collection. This is our team. Our faculty instructors are Heather and Mo. Our client is Professor Jessica Hammer, and our subject experts are Bosch and Phillips. AI systems and products are becoming more and more ubiquitous thanks to advances in machine learning and big data. From in-car navigation to virtual assistants, all sound-activated machine learning systems rely on huge amounts of audio data. However, at present, there is no large enough publicly available audio database that can be used to create a new AI system, a system to analyze home environment sounds. Our team is taking a game with a purpose approach to solve this problem by collecting audio data that generates a public annotated audio database. Our project began in the end of August when the project constraints were provided to us by the client. The constraints were to collect home sounds, including but not restricted to footsteps, coughing, and snoring using Twitch platform. The main key point that the client wanted us to focus on was quantity over quality. They wanted an audio collection experience that would help them to collect as much as audio as possible from the public and publish a database. This database can be used by both students and researchers to train the AI, thus advancing sound research and development. Feeling unsure and having lots of concerns in our mind, we started to explore the design possibilities, and we soon came across a variety of challenges. How to fit our game into the Twitch platform? How to have audio collection, how to make audio collection fun? How to motivate people to leave their computer while watching a stream and go collect sounds? Now, Yifeng will explain how we answered these questions and moved forward.
At first, our team were not confident about the Twitch platform, but gladly our client, Jessica Hammer, explained the importance of the Twitch platform. Imagine you collect 500 microwave sound in 10 minutes by just reaching one person. Twitch enables this. Twitch has 15 million daily active users and 2.2 to 3.2 monthly broadcasters in 2018. For each streamers we reached, we get all the viewers from him because it's an amplifier effect. That's why, therefore, we decided to target the Twitch streamers as our audience. So, as a team, we researched more about how Twitch platform will be benefit for us. So, we interviewed several streamers to understand more about their perspective and the reasons and the experience they play games on Twitch. The main reason they play game on Twitch is they want to gather more viewers and earn more money. Streamers always keep looking for new ways to engage their viewers and enhance their relationship. So it is a potential motivation for the streamers to use our product. Next, we discovered there is an existing culture on Twitch, which is to accomplish which the community effort can accomplish a big goal or task. In our case, this enables us to collect thousands of audios from the viewers. So we are very impressed that viewers would willing to donate money for their viewers, for their streamers, and for the social good. So we want to transform this culture into the donating audios for the greater good, which is to help the researchers to advance and speed up the sound research and development. Having a better understanding of the advantage of the Twitch platform and And why the Twitch platform is important for our success. We start to focus to our next challenge, which is to make a fun game to have the audio data collection. So we laid down a foundation by giving us several criteria to evaluate our academic process. The effectiveness, prototyping, and playtesting are our main metrics for our success. Next, let's Jinya to talk about the brainstorming game ideas.
Thank you, Yifeng. And during our brainstorming, we've tried a lot of design directions that might fit into the streaming scenario and also achieve our goal to collecting home sound. Our ideas vary from the Mad Lib with sound to escape room, but we still feel uncertain about how to achieve our goal effectively. After several rounds of discussion with our client and faculty, we decided to extend our audio collection pipeline into 2 phases, that is, before the stream and during the stream. This allows us to separate the audio collection process from the Twitch skin and allows more flexibility for the gameplay. Before the stream, the viewers can collect sound whenever they are convenient or just notice a good sound, and during the stream, the streamer will host a game using all the sound collected by the viewer. And for the game, we narrow down to 2 main ideas. The first is rolling collection game, and the second is house symphony game. Now, Charlie and I will walk you through the whole process, both as a streamer and as a viewer.
So now is the before streaming part. And as you can see, I'm a really famous Twitch streamer. And today I came across a game that I can play with my viewers. The first thing I need to do is to create an event. Then I will choose the sound category I want my viewers to collect. Then I will choose the game theme and objects. For example, I will change a cyberpunk theme and choose some random furnitures in which my viewer will collect sound and attach sound onto it. So then I will write some brief title and description, and then I will send the event. So now I can see the event here. So feel free to join my stream at 8 tonight, but before that, collect as many sound as possible. See you then.
I love to watch Twitch stream, and Charlie is one of my favorite streamers. During last streaming, he mentioned he will host a game tonight at 8, and I just used my mobile application to join this event. I can easily search for his name to join it, and I can view all the sound lists he wants us to create before the stream. Okay, I just got the sound, and I will label it as my grandpa coughing for later use. And I can view all the sound I have recorded in my sound gallery, and now I just can't wait to see how my sound is going to be used in the later game.
So the streaming starts. Before start playing the game, let's see how many sounds we have collected. We can see the sound. We have collected in the statistics. And wow, Jinya got 100 sounds with the most likes. Congrats, Jinya.
Thank you.
Thank you for all your sound. Since we already got enough sound, let's play the game. I want my viewers to decorate a room for me.
Now I will play the house symphony game. I will attach my recorded sound to every object and drag it into the room scene to decorate it. I need to do it fast before the time runs out. After I finish, I can listen to all the sound I have created, hoping my streamer will like it.
Time is up. Wow, you all got very, very good works. Thank you. And then I will play another game with the object you have chosen and the sound you have recorded. So there's a ball, and let me start rolling. Oh, what's that sound? It's from GJTN. And thanks, Jinya. It's a water sound. And there's a chair. Thanks, Jinya, again. And let me collect this beat. Oh, I fell. And I get it. So let me collect more objects. So I've collected many, many objects. Let's see the leaderboard here. Wow, Jinya got 10 sounds. She is today's winner. Congratulations, Jinya.
Thank you.
So I think it's the time to say goodbye for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for the time, for the sound.
Now it's the end of the demo, and Charlie will talk more about our playtesting result.
Thanks, Jinya. So as we start playtesting, we realized how much people enjoy collecting different sounds and listening to other sounds. The first time we noticed this was when we have a paper prototype and playtesting during week 4. And we tweaked our design by involving some more streamer involvement and allow some mismatching sound. And then we conducted a second playtest for the 2 prototypes we have made. And then we understand the strengths and weakness of both prototypes. Most of the players will enjoy attaching sound to the objects, and they will feel good when the streamer calls their names. And based on the result, we can validate our concern and refine the design. Then Ikai will talk about the tech support.
Thank you, Charlie. It is a huge change for our project to connect the streamers and viewers in our game. We finally decided to apply a client-server architecture and to develop a website and a mobile application for streamers and viewers respectively. We also have the Twitch platform to enable user authentication and get user information data. We plan to split the server interface into Web API and Web sockets. We prefer Web API for most of the interfaces for the simplicity, while we reserve Web sockets for the real-time game network. All data are stored in MongoDB for its flexibility, and we will use Twitch API for the platform integration. While the tech may be overscope for this semester and we still have some design concerns, we're still glad and we would not like to give it up for this moment. We believe that if it's challenging, make it worthwhile. And this makes our schedule a little bit tight ahead. For the next sprint, we'll be focusing on the design, focusing more on the user interface, the backend, and the functionalities for the website and mobile application. The sprint 3 will be measured for complete and polished user interface and finished before streaming, sound results recognition, and game while streaming. For the last sprint, it will leave some time for us to switch a contingency plan, and we will have time to polish our pipeline. If everything is going well, we could finally come out with a game results showcase, which is our stretch goal. We would like to thank everyone who helped us in the past few weeks, and we would like to appreciate your help and support and cooperation for our project. So far, this journey has been a bumpy one. We started with dream of designing a fun audio collection game, but we later have to shift our goal and to move towards the reality that we have to design an audio collection experience and to learn more about the Twitch culture and the community experience. We are surprised with the new possibilities of our project, and we look forward to discovering the new possibilities that drive our project and make our experience more fun and exciting to play. Thank you. And now we are open to questions.
Can you just tell me what's the most amount of people you think can play this and still be effective?
So the question is, what's the most number of people that can play our game in Twitch? So I can take that question. We are planning to focus on streamers with less than 1,000 viewers, mainly because we want we want them to be motivated to try a new game. So usually if the Twitch streamers have more than 1,000 viewers, they'll be focused on a particular game, like for example, Counter-Strike or Frost. Not sure. Yeah, like some particular game. And so that's our goal right now. Yes.
So if you're trying to build an annotated sound database, what are you doing as far as validation? Because I'll tell you, my instinct and a lot of anonymous internet watchers is going to be mislabel them. I'm going to find the most inappropriate, awful sounds to match to, so when he goes to hit the sink or whatever, you hear a fart or whatever. And that's going to, when you go to have other users like vote up or vote down, which I saw in your interface, that kind of stuff, at least from my experience with the public internet, is what's going to get voted up more than the actual correct results. So what do you have in there to make sure that the resultant database is somehow validated or useful? I know you said quantity over quality, but at some point it becomes useless if the tags are all wrong.
Okay, so the question is, correct me if I'm wrong, like how are we planning to validate the sounds and have inappropriate or incorrect sounds filtered out? Jinya, would you like to take that question?
Basically, we think a lot about how to validate this sound. And at first, from our client request, maybe the validation phase is totally another project. So we're mainly focusing on collecting sound. And because we are still thinking about the first phase, that is before the streaming, so if we have time, we can develop a cross-validation during the first phase, let the viewers to listen to other sound and report some inappropriate sound. But I think for now, our project is mainly focused on get as much sound as possible.
So I'm still, that's right.
Yeah.
You guys are targeting Twitch streamers. So like getting people to play the game seems like part of that design focus. What have you considered in how to make this attractive to streamers so they'll actually want to play it?
I think for the streamer, because we've conducted several interviews with the streamer, and the biggest motivation for them to try some new thing is to attract more fans. And I think with our game, especially for the second prototype, the rolling ball game, it has some enhancement, like to let the streamer to recognize the viewers, because once the object they collected by the streamer, their names will be on the screen. And a lot of Twitch viewers said they love to see their names on the screen and love to see that the streamer will recognize their names or something. So I think we can try to emphasize on this part to how to enhance the relationship between the streamer and the viewer, and this game could be somehow a platform for them to get more interactions. Yeah.
So what is the challenge in that rolling ball game? What is the challenge for the game? Because it seemed like you could just pick up whatever you wanted whenever. So it's not playing the sound and then you have to try and match it up.
Yeah. Basically, because we just started this prototype 1 week ago, and yeah, we're still thinking how to make it more complete. For now, it's just we set a timer because we think our game is not the main streaming content, because the streamer has a lot of content to talk or to play, so it's more like a rest game, so they can play for like 2 or 3 minutes, and in this time limit, we can see how many objects they can collect and who will be the lucky guy to be chosen by the streamer. Yeah.
One more question? All right. Thank you, team.
Thank you.